Good morning. Today we'll see about IDFT using DIF FFT. So previously we have seen the DIT, that is decimation in time domain. This is decimation in frequency domain, fast Fourier transform algorithm. This is inverse DFT. Previously we have seen DFT, then IDFT for DIT, and this IDFT using DIF. So already we know the first step. So the first step in this is, because here we have x of k, so we have to take the complex of the conjugate of this x of k. So let us write directly. So x of 0 is equal to 4, x of 1, then x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Let us write this complex conjugate. So this is 4, and here we have 0.707. Here we have minus, so plus j 1.707, and here it is 1 minus j, so 1 plus j, and here it is minus 0.707 plus, here we have plus, so minus j 0.293, and here we have 2, and here it is minus 0.707. Since here we have minus, so use plus 0.293. Here it is 1 plus j, so use 1 minus j, and here it is 0.707 minus j 1.707. So this is our step 1. So in the step 1, what we have to do is use this complex conjugate. Then what is our step 2? So this is our step 2. If it is DIT, what we have written is bit reversal order in the input side. Since it is DIF, what we have to do is write this in the original order, so that we will get output in the bit reversal order. This is the difference. So in the input side we have to write in the original order. So here we have x of 0, then here it is x of 1. Is it visible? Yeah. This is x of 1, x of 2, that is, it is conjugate. X of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Now write the values for this from here. Here it is 4. This is 0.707 plus j 1.707. Here it is 1 plus j, and here it is minus this is minus 707 minus j 0.293. Just what I am doing is just copying from here, that's it. So x of 4 is 2, x of 5 is minus 0.707 plus j 0.293, and here it is 1 minus j, here it is 0.707 minus j 1.707. So what we did is just we have copied this. Then the next one is substitute minus 1 in the bottom lines. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then what is the next step? Right here twiddle factors. Here it is w8 power 0. And here it is w8 power 1. And here it is w8 power 2. And here it is w8 power 3. So what is the first step? We have to make complex conjugate of that question. Then write the inputs, that is x of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So write in the original order, then put minus 1 in the bottom lines, then write the twiddle factors. Now let us follow the instructions. So here we have 4 plus, here we have 2, because this line touches here 4 plus 2, and here it is 0.707 plus j 1.707. So if you get confusion, already I said write the 4 values first, that is 1 plus j. Here it is minus 0.707 minus j 0.293. Since it is the first step, you can write this also continuously. So here write 4. Here it is 0.707 plus j 1.707, and here it is 1 plus j, and here it is minus 0.707 minus j 0.293. So what we did is we have written 4.707, this value and this value and this value. Again here check this line, this is coming from first value, this is the first value. So first, second, third, fourth. Then the next one. Now check this. We have written plus 2. Then now check this. Here we have minus 0.707 plus j 0.293. And the third one is plus 1 minus j. And the fourth one is plus 0.707 minus j 1.707. And here now what we have to do is multiply with this minus 1. So minus 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, and here we have twiddle factor W 8 power 0 and the next value. So here we have minus. So minus into minus will become plus 0.707. Here we have plus. So plus into minus, minus j 0.293. So this should be multiplied by twiddle factor W 8 power 1. And here it is 1 minus j. So multiply with this minus 1. So this will be minus 1 plus j into, here we have twiddle factor W 8 power 2. Then the next one is, here we have minus. So multiply with this, plus into minus will be minus 0.707, minus into minus plus j 1.707 into, here we have twiddle factor because this line is coming here to W 8 power 3. Now what we have to do, write the answers for this. So 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6 here. Then the next one is, here we have 0.707 and here we have minus 0.0707. And now add this so that we will get 2j because previously we did the same thing. Minus j plus j, so here we will get 2. And here we have minus 0.07 plus 0.07, so which is equal to here minus j2. And here W8 power 0 is 1. So 4 minus 2 into 1, 2. And here what we have to do is W8 power 1. So here we have W8 power 1. We have to multiply with that value. Now multiply this. Here we have 0.707 plus j 1.707 plus 0.707 minus j 0.293 into W8 power 1. So this is what we are going to do. So 0.707 plus 0.07 is 1.414. Then here we have plus j 1.707 minus 0.293. 1 minute. 1.707 minus 0.293 is equal to 1.414 into this W8 power 1 is 0.707 minus j 0.707. Now what is 1.414 into 0.707 is equal to 0.9999. So we can take this as 1. So 1 minus j into 1. So j plus j. Now multiply this and here we have plus into minus minus j square. So here plus j minus j cancels. So 1 minus of minus 1 which is equal to 2. Now this is the answer for this W8 power 1. Then the next one is, here we have W8 power 2. We know that W8 power 2 is minus j. Now here we have 1 plus j minus 1 plus j. So this plus 1 minus 1 cancels. So we have j plus j, 2j into minus j. So which is equal to minus j square 2. So which will be equal to 2 because this is minus 1, so that we will get 2 here. So the answer for this is 2. Then finally we have W8 power 3. Now substitute minus 0.707 minus j 0.293 minus 0.707 plus j 1.707 into W8 power 3 and minus 0.707 minus 1.414. Then here we have plus j 1.707 minus 0.293 is equal to 1.414 into this W8 power 3 is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So 1.414 into 0.707 is equal to 0.999. So we can write this as 1. So here we have minus into minus 1 and here it is minus into minus plus j. Then here it is minus j and here we have plus into minus minus j square. Now what happens? Plus j minus j cancel. So 1 minus of minus 1, which will be equal to 2 again. So we will get 2 here. Now check the answers. These are the answers. 6, 2j, 2, minus j2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is what we are going to give as input to the next stage. Now what is the next stage? See here, this is our next stage. So what we are going to do is, we are going to copy this answer to this stage. So here it is 6, and here it is 2j, here it is 2, this is minus j2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So what we did is, just I have copied this answer, that is, this is the output of the first stage and this is given as input to the second stage butterfly. Now what we have to do, then the next one is substitute minus 1, minus 1. Here we have minus 1, minus 1. So what we have to do is, write here twiddle factor, this is w 8 power 0, and here we have w 8 power 2. Here we have w 8 power 0, and here we have w 8 power 2. And what is the next step? So in the next step, write the values here. So here we have 6, this is 6, then here we have plus 2, and here it is j2, and here it is minus j2, then here it is 6, plus into minus, minus, and here it is 2j, minus into minus, plus 2j, here it is into w 8 power 0, and here it is w 8 power 2. The same way, here we have 2 plus 2, and here it is 2 plus 2, and here it is 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2. This is into w 8 power 0, and here it is w 8 power 2. See, 6 plus 2, 2j minus j2, here it is 6, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and here it is 2j, minus into minus, plus 2j, into this twiddle factor w 8 power 0, w 8 power 2. So likewise the same thing here follows. So 6 plus 2 will be equal to 8, because this is what we are going to give as input to the next stage. And here this my j2 minus j2, so that we will get 0. And here it is 4, and here it is, now what is here, 4j into, we have minus j here, so minus j square, this will be minus 1, so we will get only 4 here. Then the next one is 4, then the next one is 4, and here it is 0, and here it is 0, because 2 minus 2 will become 0 here. Now let us take this as input to the next stage. So here we have input 8, 0, 4, 4, 4, 4, 0, 0. And here we have minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. And now write 8 plus 0. And here it is 8 minus 0. This is 4 plus 4. And here it is 4 minus 4, because 4 into minus 1. And here it is 4 plus 4. Here it is 4 minus 4. 4 into minus 1. You should not forget this. Here we have 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0. And here we have to write w 8 power 0 in every stages. But we know that a w 8 power 0 is equal to 1. So that we are leaving that. So it is equal to 8. Now what is the final answer? This is 8. Here it is 8. 8. 0. 8. 0. 0. 0. Now what happens in the final stage? The output will be in the bit reversal order. So what we have to do is write this in the bit reversal order. That is, this is x of 0, and here it is x of 4, x of 2, this is x of 6, 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. That's it. Now what we have to do? We have to write the final answer. So that is n into x star of n will be equal to That is our values. 8, x of 0, x of 1 is 8, and x of 2 is 8, x of 3 is 0, x of 4 is 8, and x of 5 0, x of 6 0, x of 7 0. Now x star of n will be equal to this 8 8 8 0 8 0 0 0 divided by, since we know the sequence n is equal to 8, so by 8. Finally we have x of n is equal to 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. So this is what we are using, the same sequence. This is what the sequence which we have used from the beginning, that is from DFT. So hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this, subscribe, share and support. Thank you.